Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Aryawan Apri PRATAMA. I'm from the 4 Technical POLBIT. In this video, I will explain part of ship in engine is a compressor. Okay, a compressor may be an aircraft or an assistant engine. The function of a compressor on a ship is to generate of product high pressure air or wind. The high pressure air is housed inside a wind bottle to be used for the trigger of the early start of main engine, the aux engine, and other machines that use the pneumatic system. And air compressors are also mechanical devices that are used to increase energy to the fluid of the gas or air so that it can flow from one place to another continuously. How the compressor work? A compressor usually uses an electric motor, a diesel or a gasoline engine as a motor. A compressor drives itself to turn the compressor on, so that the compressor does optimum work as well as the compressor does. And I will explain the part of compressor. With the picture is a set of video. 1. The cylinder line is made of iron cast glass and come with a water jacket around it to absorb the heat caused during the compression process. And 2. A piston or thorax for a type of non-lubricant compressor. These pistons are made of moderate aluminum alloy. As for the kind that use lubricant, pistons are made of cast iron that come with piston ring, serve to handle the gas supply, compression, and output. And 3. The thorax shaft is made of a steel alloy, equipped with an anti-friction ring to prevent a possible breach of air compression. It functions to continue to style from the crosshead to the thorax. 4. Intercoolers are usually installed between two stages to cool air temperature and increase the volumetric efficiency of the compressor. Some compressors are equipped with the copper or chopper, tubes for depth, and several other intercooler models installed. 5. The connecting rods are made of rock steel, acting as a piston link with a crankshaft and minimizing thruster on the bearing surface, relaying the force and craning to the thorax shaft through the head of a cross. The connecting shaft must be strong and bendable and thus capable of carrying loads during compression. Number 6 is bearing and main bearing. These bearings are made of a mixture of tin and copper. It builds itself solid when a rotary motion occurs on a machine. If the treatment is correct, the hours used for this path can be long, such as by using the tip of lubricant, and the time spent in accordance with instruction from the manual. And last 7, the crankshaft is the same as section, equipped wake or stabilizer for keeping the dynamic balance during a high-speed rotate and keeping the circle of course because of a large punch. Okay, I think enough from my explain. I'm sorry with my mistake. And thank you for your attention and listening. Goodbye.